This is my brake calipers, fuse boxes, injectors, and alternator, engine mounting, okay, and the rotor and the performance exhaust pipe. You see on the video, guys. If you like my video, please comment, like, support my channel so that I can make a good video for you. Okay, so it's really I appreciate. Guys, I just making some video for car guys. I think car guys love this type of parts, so that's why I make some video. I enjoy to make video. I enjoy to work my car. I really enjoy to work my car, man. I am a car guy actually, and I think that there is a lot of car guy in the whole world, man. Automotive lovers, car enthusiasts, car guys, car modifications lovers, racer, tracker, lot of the whole world. Automotive industry. I love automotive industry. I love automobiles. I want to be a car mechanic. I want to be a car modifications engineer. I'm trying, man. Yeah, just I'm trying. So hopefully, if you guys support me, I can be.